Hey everybody, this is Dan with Learning to Smoke. Back at you today with some garlic, lemon, lime, cedar plank salmon. And I'm using some wild Alaskan salmon I got from Omaha Steaks for this. This is the finished product. Let me show you how to make it. Let's go. For our cedar plank salmon here, what I've got is some wild Alaskan sockeye salmon from Omaha Steaks. And then I've got olive oil. I've got minced garlic, lemon and lime wedges or slices, butter, and some rub. I like it for seafood. Also, the cedar planks. Cedar planks need to soak for at least 30 minutes before you put on the grill. So these soak for over 30 minutes. We're good to go. The reason that you soak them is so they don't burn when they're on the grill. Anyway, so now let's put this together. Gonna pour our olive oil on this. I'm wearing a nitrile glove here for handling raw foods. So I'm gonna smooth that around. The assembly of this is actually really quick and easy. I'm gonna take my minced garlic here. Got about 3 cloves worth. I'll go ahead and spread it around. I mean, this is garlic, lemon, lime, cedar plank salmon, so gotta live up to its name with the garlic part. Gotta have that good flavor to it. So rub that in. Go a little modest at first because I want to make sure I've got enough. I did say 3 cloves, which is what I've got here. Got a little extra, so I'm going to go ahead and maximize that. Put it on the rest of the salmon, get on the edges even. There we go. Get some over there. Some fell off the board, so we're going to put some right there. Okay, excellent. Now, we're going to go ahead and lay some butter on. I've got 6 tablespoons, so that's 6 pieces of what you see here. But I think I'm just going to stick with 4 today. And then I'm going to do lemon and lime. So sometimes I like to put the citrus slices on top of the butter because the butter does melt, and then this will melt in with it, which is pretty good. So I'm actually going to do these. I'm going to do a little different today. I'm going to have the butter there and like that. So you can mix it up how you want, and usually I do. So today I'm doing it like this, and we'll see if it's worth it. Oh, you know what I need to do? Ha! First off, let's take these off. Get away, bee. It's a wasp, actually. Rub. I brought the rub out for a reason. Got to have some good seasoning here. This rub I'm using today is from Lane's Barbecue. It is Kunami. It is amazing. I love it on seafood, especially. Try it with shrimp. Oh, it's bomb diggity. I'm gonna put the butter cubes back on. Good times. Okay. Go in here and there. Then we're going to take it over to the grill. The grill is already preheated to 400 degrees. And the cedar plank's on, so we're good. Let's go. The grill is preheated to 400 degrees exactly. So what I'm going to do is, well, take this glove off. I'm going to go ahead and lift this up. Put that on the grill. Actually, I'll put it like that. Leave it here for about 20 minutes. So we'll check back later. Let's check this. It's been about 20 minutes now. It's getting some beautiful color on there. I love that. So let's check with the handy dandy thermopen. Here, let me angle it towards you. Between 125 to 140 is what we're looking for. I'm perfect there. And yeah, we're great there. Good to go. And would you look at that? Bingo, baby. Okay, I'm going to take my giant spatula here. And I'm going to go ahead and scoop that right off the grill. And I'll put it on the cutting board. Let it rest a few minutes, and then we're going to dig in. Let's dig in here. Grab a bite. Okay. Amazing. Okay, feel free to go to my website, learningsmoke.com. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Thank you very much for coming. See ya.